It's vacay time. First official day of vacation. This is the morning we go out to fly to Myrtle Beach. So we're gonna get ready real quick, go grab something to eat, and go ahead and drive out to Detroit. Make sure I start hitting my peoples up, let them know we making moves. Well, I'll see y'all a little bit later.
Hola. Yes, I have a cotton scarf on my head.
Sexy scarf.
I washed my hair last night. Last night meaning like 1 o'clock in the morning, 12 o'clock.
Meaning this morning.
Right, this morning actually, not last night. So my hair is still a little wet. I'm trying to soak up the moisture with the scarf. But anyway, we are on the road, headed to Detroit. Our first destination.
Detroit bound?
Right. Our first destination before we get to our final destination.
Wait a minute. I don't like the sound of that. I don't like the sound of that.
No, not final. Till we get to
vacay spot, dog.
Yeah, till we get to where we're going for vacation. We just got breakfast. We're currently eating it right now at my parents' house. We're in Detroit. Woohoo! In Detroit. And my brother's here to take us to the airport.
So you excited?
Yeah. It's always good to go on vacay.
So how long are you guys gonna be there?
Just until Sunday.
No.
Nice little bit.
Yeah, I don't think Mama needs no select. Little short legs. Hey, girl.
My brother be having that good music.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so we just got robbed. We're at the airport. Somebody mistake Chris from Pharrell. Does he look like Pharrell?
Pharrell. Really?
And he doesn't look like Pharrell to me.
Not at all.
I mean, he's a cutie, but he doesn't look like Pharrell. It's better.
Almost there. Touchdown in like 2 hours. Maybe 3. We're supposed to get there. What time?
2:18.
2:18? Get there? Oh yeah, the flight leaves in like an hour.
Yeah, we're here early. I'm glad it's kind of packed here. And that's another reason it's probably cheap. There's a lot of people going. A lot of people's destination.
That's a good question. I figure straight to Myrtle Beach should be more expensive.
Now if it's a bigger airport and more people. Anyway, my arms is tired. What'd you say?
I'm having way too much fun.
Love the kids.
Yeah.
And we should be. Pops is picking us up.
Yeah, he just called, so yeah, I need to call him back real quick. And I got another missed call.
Yeah, so we should see Pops.
Back stream.
But yeah,
Yeah.
made it there safe.
Can't wait to see the hotel. I'm hoping we got the penthouse suite, but
Yeah, I am too. I'm hoping
I'm not sure.
it's a nice one.
We'll see. We'll see.
So, I say we came out here just in time
Yeah.
because it was starting to feel like fall in Michigan. It was like raining and it was about 60, 65 degrees for the past week, right? Maybe even 2, but for sure the past week. The weather's just been strange, so it's good to get here to Myrtle Beach and it's hot. It feels like summer. So I wasn't ready for summer to be over, and hopefully by the time we come back, the weather will get itself together.
Who knows?
It can be bipolar while we're over here and get back right when we get back.
It's always bipolar.
But it feels good. Do I sing? I mean, I showered before I left, but something was smelling weird on the plane. It smelled good. Okay. It wasn't me. Now I'm videotaping. I'm recording. But thanks. Yeah. But what y'all think of my hair? It's super shrunken up and short because it was wet. Like I washed it this morning.
Keep telling her to let go.
Yeah, Myrtle Beach. Woo! Wow. Let me see the ocean. See the ocean?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. And the beach.
Vacation dog.
And the city. Thank you, Jesus. It's beautiful. Wow, stop. I'm all sweaty. It's beautiful. It's beautiful out there.
Yes, Nick.
This is our room. This is the suite. Kev's room.
You walk outside.
Bathroom.
Can you walk on the beach for drinking?
Bathroom.
Because if you fall, I'm
Kitchen.
gonna laugh at you so hard.
Damn, the tiki bar is open.
Mom and Pop's room.
You ain't showing my room yet, did you?
Oh,
Okay.
not yet.
I think my room is
This
messed
is my
up.
mom.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Kev trying to hide. Trying to hide. It's the other half of my family.
Absolutely. Absolutely. All right, I'm gonna go straighten up my room. So I can take pictures.
Excited.
Dining area.
That shirt is fly though.
Thank you, boo. It's very comfortable.
I heard about you, Kev. We out.
Say hi, Pops.
Pops, this is my pops right here, man. You told me how to be a man right here. This is the man right here.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Sorry, Pop. And this is Tails' room. She got a
this is how
private suite over here.
This is how I put this shit.
She got her own little view over
Oh, look
here.
at this makeup bag, babe. Oh.
Come on now.
Little
You
bathroom.
gotta dip in that, babe. You're gonna have to dip in that. Look at all those
Yeah,
brushes.
I need a better
I
makeup
always bring
bag.
it just in case.
That's what big sisters are for, babe.
My makeup is your makeup, honey.
Thank you. All right.
white earlier with the blue depth.
Hey guys, so it's late and I'm gonna finish editing this video, this vlog, and go to bed. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.